Hello world, this is LockpickingDev. Today I have for you a Kibblock Euro cylinder. It is 6 pins, it is full of security pins, and it is the type of lock that I picked at LockCon that I actually broke. I sheared a spring because one of the pin stacks was so low that I was able to add enough pressure to just skip over that stack and shear the spring. I haven't opened this particular lock yet. Hopefully we don't run into that. But yeah, here we go. So it is a Euro cylinder, so not a whole lot of tension needed. Let's go click in the back there. I think that's 4, 3, 2, 1. More on 4, it felt like there, into a false set. Doesn't seem like 4 is the pin that had the false set on it though. Still moving through. Okay, just hit something in the back, moved a little bit more. Still looking for which pin had that false set there. Sorry, make that a little bit more in focus. There we go. Five. One. There we go. I think that's 3. Okay, maybe it's in the further in the back. Maybe I hit something and there we go. 5. Go into a false set. Can't tell if that was 3. I hit it. I was underneath 3 at that time. But 3 wasn't moving, so I'm not sure if there we go. 2. I think that's 5 into a false set. I think 6. It's not 5. Got light tension on now, so I need to be mindful of that. Meaning when I'm picking, I don't need to lift hard. This is a Euro cylinder. There's no counter rotation unless it's a spool. So let my pressure off. Make sure I'm underneath the pin. Make sure it is the pin that's giving me counter rotation. I didn't feel anything through then. Four? I think any kind of rotation. No, I think that may have just been a slip. Let's get back underneath. Yeah, nothing there because I let my pressure off completely there. Nothing there. Nothing there. Yeah, my pressure is practically completely off right now when I'm lifting these, or when I'm trying to lift this pin, or find which pin it is. It's probably something super high. Yep, I think it's in the back there. Let's make sure I'm underneath the pin. Okay, it doesn't feel right. Yeah, that didn't feel right. I'm glad I stopped. Well, that might be it. I'm trying to make sure my pick is in the right position. It's being really annoying here. I'm going to try a different pick. Yeah, I think it is the one in the back there. See if I can get this pick underneath it. I like this pick. The profile's nice and high. Okay, I don't think so, not without accidentally turning the plug. So I'm going to put this back in here. Okay, I'm underneath that pin. It's definitely not moving. There we go, right there, I think. Nope, that's me moving it. What am I missing here? Okay, I think that is it. That's the pin, it's not. Like, that's me moving it. Shit, yep, dropped it down. Oh, there's that false set again. One's picked. Go, I feel like 5. Go, 5 is picked. It's kind of pushing through it now. Sure if that turning tool in there correctly. I think it has to be the back pin then. Because it is right there, but not quite. I'm missing something here. Okay, I think that's it right there. Nope. That was it, right? There we go. Get underneath the dang pin. Stay. We got one. Okay, there's our open. Whew. I didn't think we were going to get that open for a second. One was our last pin there, and I hate one when it's the last pin, especially when it is damn near a zero lift. That is probably one bidding. So there you go. There's our bidding on that. I will cut and get this gutted for us. Before I gut it, I wanted to show you the Kibblock that I picked at LockCon in Amsterdam in 2024. So if you look at the far right pin on the 6th chamber there, it is really low. So what I did was I picked the pins 1 through 5 on the left there. Then pin 6 was so low and I had such heavy tension on it that I just torqued it heavy enough to where it opened. And it cut that spring off in pin stack 6 there. So I never had to pick pin stack 6. So if I look at the next picture here too, you can see from the back view, even that pin stack 6 is so low, it's almost flush with the plug there. So that's how I got that open. So this was during a lockpicking competition, and I got this open right here, and we had to stop it to check it out to see what happened. And it opens and opens, so it counted. So anyways, here we go. We'll get it gutted. The Kibblock is gutted, and you can see that it is full of spools. We got a couple steel pins in here for drill resistance, and nothing but spools. What made this thing difficult is obviously the very high lows right there. And of course, The keyway has a little bit of curviness to it. But there it is. That is the 6-pin Kibblock. Generic European lock. Good luck, though. All right, everyone. Thanks for watching.